Stock picking isn't for the faint of heart, and you might be wondering what investing pros look for when they are trying to find the next big winner. Well, one major part of hunting for a good growth stock is examining a company's fundamentals. Once you have checked the market conditions, look for companies that have explosive earnings and sales growth driven by innovative new products or services. Our research shows that major growth stocks have a few things in common: 20% or higher earnings growth in the most recent quarter, 20% or better average earnings growth over the last 3 to 5 years, 20% or higher sales growth in the most recent quarter, 17% or better return on equity, and a new product or service that is leading or revolutionizing its industry. Now, where do you see these numbers? Once you're on MarketSmith's evaluation page, you can go to the summary section to see these numbers. On the summary section, first thing you notice is snapshot of the annual EPS for the most recent years. You can also see the consensus EPS estimates for next 2 to 3 years. Next, you see the quarterly EPS and sales growth in quarterly earnings section. Make a stock purchase, you would like to see that the company has posted explosive growth for the recent 2 quarters. Better if the growth rates are accelerating. You can also quickly check the EPS rating to see where the company stands in terms of earnings growth as compared to other stocks in the market. Another metric you would like to see is return on equity. The best growth leaders usually have a return on equity of 17 or more. Remember to toggle between the consolidated and standalone tab to get a better picture of the fundamentals. If you wish to check the company's fundamentals in greater details, you can visit the Financials section. First thing you will notice in the Financial section is all the key ratios, both for annual and quarterly. You'll see important financial ratios such as EBIT margin, pre-tax margin, debt to equity ratios, etc. in this section. You can also come down a bit and see all the detailed financial statements as well.